Okay, so you need to download this Uber driver app. You must download this one. There's a lot of similar apps like Uber Eats, so you must have this one. So if you're using Uber Eats account, then you should use a different email and the phone number to do this step. Okay, the good news is, one good news I can share with you, use a referral code. So if you want to use my referral code, so please email me, sorry, WhatsApp me. You can see my number on the screen. I will send it to you. So you will get 250, I will get 250 as well. So you've done everything now. So first you need to register. Register is very simple. When you click that link, when I send it to you, it will take you to this app here, then say sign up. So just put your details. It's very simple. So when you put your details, then you have to complete the course. There is going to be one course you should complete it. Is very, very important. Then other course, you have to book the appointment in the Uber hub. It's very, very important. After that, then you will be able to activate your account. So first try to book the appointment as soon as possible, then do the course as well. So when you go in Uber hub, then the app should be look like this. They will take your picture there, nothing else. So you have to upload the document now. So you go over here, you can see, then go to account, and you can see the document over here. So first you need to add the vehicle as well. You go to vehicle section and add the vehicle. You can look over here, so add a vehicle. Then you go back and go to document here now. So when you go to document, then it is very simple. It will tell you what to do step by step. So it's asking for a DVLA plastic driving license, private hire PCO license. I did some, so I have a different car. So asking for the private hire vehicle license as well. So this is different. Our PCO license is different, which is over here. This is different. This is for the car. We need insurance, we need MOT, and if you rent the car, then you need to get permission letter as well. Okay, so how to do this one? So you click on this one over here. So it's better you take the picture first. You can take the picture now as well, is up to you. But my advice, first you need to take the picture or scan the document, keep in your folder or in your camera roll. So you click over here, then it say browse photo. So I'm going to go over here. So I'm going to take my driving license, which is already over here. So just submit it. And that's it. So it's uploaded now. Then I have to go to the next step. I have to download the other one. So it's saying is in review. If it's accepted, then you will get the tick. If it's any problem, then you have to take the picture, clear picture again and do it. So you do step by step now. And after that, if you visited already Uber Hub, if all the document is good, then you're ready to go then. Then your app should be, say when you click go, then you'll be able to make money. At the moment, I have to upload the documents here. So when you've done all, then you click go, then you start working. So I make other video as well, my first job with Uber. So you should watch that video as well. It's going to be very good. So hope so you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.